Kern County Department of Public Health held its weekly press briefing this morning and touched on all the bases we come to expect. Hospitalizations continuing to rise steadily. Assistance for small businesses in the form of forgivable loans and free protective equipment. Also, the dire need for antibody-rich blood plasma from those who have recovered from COVID-19 and more. But something new emerged today as well. Frustration with the state's lack of communication and collaboration with their partners in the fight, county government. 17's Robert Price files this report.
Governor Gavin Newsom's so-called strike teams, the multi-agency squads enforcing the state's coronavirus fighting restrictions, have been in Kern County a number of times since their creation this spring. How many times? We don't know. And Kern County officials can't say with any certainty either, because they don't know. Communication with the state is in short supply and collaboration almost non-existent. So says Kern County Chief Administrative Officer Ryan Alsop.
The relationship between governments, particularly local governments and state governments, or whether it's local, state, or federal, there's a bit of a gap, and coordination is not always where you want it to be. Yes, I think that there's always room for improvement, certainly in dealing with this pandemic and everything that's involved with it. We would like to see coordination improved. We are communicating with the state. We would like more frequent and probably more quality and detailed communication, maybe more proactive communication from the state.
The roles of state and county governments are at least somewhat defined. The state strike teams wield the power to fine and/or suspend or revoke licenses, essentially putting businesses out of business. County governments have been assigned the role of public education, but the twain seems not to meet often, and Alsop is not the only chief county administrator in California who's frustrated by that. Officials in Monterey County, to name one jurisdiction, also recently expressed frustration over the modus operandi of that area's state strike team: unannounced, uncoordinated visits.
Our position is that we communicate to the best that we can with the state. Yes, always room for improvement.
You know the saying, there's no I in team. Well, when it comes to the governor's strike team, from all appearances, there's no county in team either. In Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.
And a footnote here, 17 News reached out to state officials, including Alcohol Beverage Control and the State Occupational Safety and Health Administration, but by airtime, we had not received a response.